In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer crypto from Robinhood to Tangem Wallet. So this is actually quite simple. First, you want to open up your Tangem Wallet, which should look something like this over here. And then from here, you want to, of course, see your tokens and then click on whichever token you would like to transfer. So for this instance, we're going to do it with Ethereum. So just tap on your crypto, and then over here, it will say how much you have and if your balance is verified or not. And from here, you'll see a QR code as well as your address. Now, what's very important is you want to click on the address, so where the address is, and then click copy, so the address is copied to your clipboard. After you've done this, you want to open up your Robinhood app, and then at the very bottom of your Robinhood app, you want to click on this thing, which is kind of the search box, and you simply want to click on that, and under browse up top, you then have to type in the name of your crypto. So in our case, it's going to be Ethereum, but in your case, if you transfer something different, you can just type that in. And then under cryptos, you want to click on that coin. So for me, it's going to be Ethereum yet again. So ETH, you want to click on that, and you'll then see your position over here. You'll see the quantity, value, etc. And you then have to press send, which is this yellow button over here. Now, once you press send over here, you will have to then put in how much of Ethereum you would like to send or whatever crypto you're trying to send. And then after you've done that, you want to press continue. Then your camera will open up with the ability to scan the QR code, but if you don't want to scan it, you can simply just click enter manually at the bottom of your screen, and then you want to paste in over here. So as you can see, you want to paste in the wallet address we just copied earlier from the Tangem wallet. So this one, you want to paste it in here. Now, yet again, you want to click review over here, and then you want to review whether the address is actually correct. So double check if it's actually from your Tangem wallet. And if it is the same, then simply press finish, and you'll be able to send your cryptocurrency to Robinhood, from Robinhood to Tangem Wallet. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.